In this video, we're going to be talking about the error message that you're probably getting when listing your first product on Amazon. This error message is 56665 and it's most likely when you're making your first Amazon listing. Amazon is probably asking you to verify a little bit of information, and don't worry, by the end of this video, you're going to be able to list that product that you're trying to sell and all of that throughout the process. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. All this information is always free, helping you guys out, and I teach you guys also how to get ranked on that first page of Amazon. So if you sell full-time on Amazon or side hustle, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and let's go on the laptop really quick here so I can show you guys exactly what you need to do. So if you're getting that error message and you're on Amazon Seller Central, most likely you're going to be able to see this on the home page, recent applications pending submission. If you click here, you're going to be able to see what you're trying to get the company name for, because they're probably asking you to verify a little bit of information for your company. So let's go right now to adding a product to Amazon's listing so you can see that error message exactly and how we can actually fix it. So let's say, for example, I'm trying to sell this product, Lash Glue by Lash Pro. My company is called Lash Pro, and for the brand name, I'm putting Lash Pro here. And most likely that it's going to give me an error message. Pro should be giving me an error message. And if you go here to all attributes, you can see here this product does not have a brand name. And it says request approval for Lash Pro. So what Amazon is asking you, and this is a very simple process, they want a picture of the product to verify that you're actually selling that product. This way there's not a lot of fake Amazon sellers that just make a listing maybe with a robot and just spam Amazon's platform. So they require you to take a picture of the product. So let's click here really quick. And you don't need a trademark, you don't need brand approval or anything like that. You can literally see what your product falls under, click all these marks and criterias, and for this drop box, you're gonna send a picture of the product and the back of the product. And the product should have a little bit of information of the company's name. That way you can get approved for that. So you don't need a trademark, you don't need any of that information. All you need is a picture of the product. And let's say you're doing private label and the product is in China's warehouse and your manufacturer has all the products and they haven't shipped it out yet. What I would personally do is I would tell the suppliers to send a picture of the product, take a picture for you, the front, the back of the product, show the brand name of the product so that way you don't get rejected for this approval, and then submit it. And then within about like 24 hours, you'll be approved for that brand. The 5665 error message will go away. And after that, you should be able to sell that product with no issues. Also, you might want to get your brand trademarked eventually down the line. This is gonna help you a ton, especially if people try to sell counterfeit products of your items or trying to hijack your listing. Trust me, you do not want that issue. And I teach you the best way to get your company trademark for the cheapest price. So that's going to be on my other videos. I'll try to keep it in the description of how to brand register your company name and get it trademarked for the cheapest price. To file that trademark, I have an attorney that can do it for 45 bucks. So, I mean, that beats anything I've ever seen. So that also helps you guys out. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you learned anything, if you have any questions, also leave a comment down below. And yeah, feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions, even on my social media, 𝗏𝘫𝗍. I'll have it posted up here. And that's about it. See you guys on the next one. Peace.